In this video, we will talk about tenses. Tenses or tense. What is it? Tense is or always relates to a verb form showing the time of an action or activity or event. That's why, because relates to time, we have three times here: present, past, and future. We will deal with those time divisions. Two main groups of tenses. Actually, we have 16 tenses, but we can group them into only two main groups: simple tenses and continuous tenses. That's why simple tenses we will have 8 tenses, and continuous tenses we will have 8 tenses. Okay, we talk about simple tenses first. Because we have 3 division of time: present, past, and future, surely it will influence the name of the tense. The first is simple present. Sometimes a student often mention simple present continuous tense. No, this is wrong. Because, as I told you before, the tenses are grouped into two: simple and continuous. So, when you mention a name of the tense, you cannot mention simple present continuous, but you have simple present or present continuous. It is separated, or they are separated. Okay, we have simple present as the first. The verb that we use, that is verb 1. Simple past, we use verb 2. Simple present future, it's very important. Simple present future, so we name it simple present future, not simple future, because we have simple present future and simple past future. That's why when you mention this, you mention the name, it should be simple present future. The pattern is will plus verb 1. There is will here to show the character of future, to show the future, and it is followed by verb 1. The next is simple present perfect. The same thing as present future. We cannot mention simple perfect, so we must have simple present perfect, because we also have simple past perfect. Here is the pattern: have plus verb 3. Have is the auxiliary to show the character of perfect. So have plus verb 3. And then, because we have simple present future, we have simple past future, as I told you. And look at this: simple present future we have will. Past future we just change will into would. Past form, the same as past perfect. Simple present perfect we have. In simple past perfect we have had. Had is in the past form of have, but it is still verb 3. Would also still verb 1. We may not change the verb. Okay, number 7 is the combination of the simple present future and present future, simple present perfect. That's why it becomes simple present future perfect. The pattern, also the combination, will plus verb 1. So we use, this is already verb 1. So will have verb 3. Will have verb 3. If we have simple present future perfect, surely we have simple past future perfect. So we just change will into would. So these are the 8 of simple tenses. These tenses will also be the basic or you can learn continuous tenses later based on this based on this kind of pattern. Okay, you have verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. So there is form of verbs. Sorry, there are forms of verb because we have 3: verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. If the verb is irregular, if the verb is regular, we have only add with ed: play, played, played, brush, brushed, brushed. But when the verb is in irregular form, look at this: verb 1 do, verb 2 did, verb 3 done. They are different. That's why for irregular form you have to memorize. Another example: have, had, had. Look at this: had. It is the second. Yeah. Now we have already had 6 simple sentences. How about changing them in sentences? Okay. The artist shows his work. This is simple present. We have shows, verb 1. Simple past: the artist showed. Present future: will show. Present perfect: has shown. Past, yeah, simple past future: would. It is still the same: show. We just change will into would. And then has shown, present perfect, and past perfect: had shown. It is still the same: shown. And then the combination: will, have shown, simple present future perfect, and will is changed into would. Then this becomes simple past future perfect: would have shown. So look at the form of the verb. Okay, we have another examples. In this case, I hope that you remember about the nominal sentence. In this case, we have to be as the verb, as the predicate. That's why we change the to be. So it is present, then it is past, it is present future: will plus be, because will plus verb 1. And then for perfect, present perfect, we have been, because it is verb 3, so the to be is been. And then would, the same would. This is will, change into would, but this is still the same be. And then had been, this is have, present perfect, this is past perfect. Have is changed into had, but it is still the same: been. Will have been, the combination will have been. And then would have been, past. This is present future perfect, past future perfect. So this is the verbal sentence. The verb is changed, but in here the to be is changed because it is nominal sentence. Because you know that this is simple present, it needs verb 1. But to be, if it is verb 1, the sentence will become: the performers be ready. No, this is wrong. That's why to be has different form from the other verbs. The other verbs, they have verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. But to be, we have verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, and present form. That's why if the tenses is called simple present, the to be, if it is nominal sentence, if the verb is or the predicate is to be, we use the present form, not verb 1. Okay, so we continue to continuous tenses. The general pattern is S plus P, verb 1 plus ing. Verb 1. We cannot have verb because what is added by ing is only verb 1, not verb 2, not verb 3. And because here the general pattern is S plus P and plus verb 1 ing, so the verb will be is in form for all the tenses. But what is changed is the to be. That's why I show you here again the form of to be. Okay, let's begin with the first, present continuous. Again, never mention simple present continuous, never. So this is present continuous. As I told you before, that present we have present form of to be, so it is mr plus verb 1 ing. Past continuous, we have the second form was, were, and then present future continuous, we have will plus p, surely, plus verb 1 ing. And present perfect continuous, we have, and then verb 3 is the to be here, verb 1 ing. And then past future continuous, we have would, will is changed into would, plus be, again the same. Past perfect continuous, have is changed into have, still the same, yeah, been, and verb 1 ing. Present future perfect continuous, the combination of present future continuous and present perfect continuous, so becomes present future perfect continuous. Will, have, been, verb 1 ing. And then if we have present, we have past, so past future perfect continuous, we have would have been, verb 1 ing, will is changed into would. So this is how to understand the pattern. You can understand the pattern, you can memorize, you can remember the pattern of each tense based on the name. That's why when mentioning the name of the tense, you must mention it right in order that the pattern will be correct. Okay, let's see in the example. The bats are hibernating. Were, past, present future continuous, present perfect continuous, past future continuous, past perfect continuous, will have been, the combination present future perfect continuous, and then past future perfect continuous. So these are how to use the pattern in sentences. Hopefully that you understand. We talk only about the pattern. And then for the next video, I will show you the use of each tenses. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.